Hey, how's it going, everybody? We are here today at Jack Pine Trail, and today I've got the Sony a6100. This just got released a couple of weeks ago, so we're gonna give this little puppy a try. Got all sorts of birdies going in for seed. Check that out. And right now I've got the kit lens. It's a 16-50 power zoom. One thing I don't like about the power zoom is it sucks up your battery life. Now Sonys are notorious for bad battery life, but I know they've made some improvements since I'm out here doing wildlife photography. Got the Sony G70-350. Now this is a 4.5 to 6.3. Now the Sony a6100, it does shoot 4K. It does shoot 120 frames a second slow-mo. It does not have in-body image stabilization. Unfortunately, they reserve that for the a6600, which is of course a lot more expensive. Now this one is coming in at about $1,000 Canadian. I was playing with this camera a little bit before, and the rolling shutter on this thing was brutal. So if you don't know what rolling shutter is, well, you can kind of see the trees in behind kind of doing a wavy thing, right? So that's what rolling shutter is. It shouldn't do that. Has that flip up articulating screen, so it just flips up. Got a microphone up top here, so I can't flip up the screen to see if I'm in focus or anything like that. Kind of a pain in the ass in my opinion. So just had the opportunity to play with the 70-350 lens. That lens is nice, man. It's solidly built. Like, I'm pretty impressed with that lens. So as you could probably hear, they're doing some trail maintenance, some cutting down some of the trees around. Probably just some dead trees that they're cutting down or something like that. So they do maintain these trails quite nicely. So again, all sorts of black-capped chickadees flying around. Say hello, little birdie. Playing with this camera, there was something that just didn't feel right about it, and I just couldn't figure out what it was until just now. The viewfinder is off center from the lens. Most of the cameras that I use, you look through the viewfinder is lined up with the lens. This one's off center, and I do believe that's with all the 6000 series cameras from Sony. Not a fan of that. That just kind of throws me off, because I look through the viewfinder to get a picture of something, and I'm like shifted over like a couple of inches the wrong way. There we go. Hey, anything that you want? No? I know, all I got was sunflower seeds. But I have to say, this camera is so light, so small, So compact, is great. If you're looking for a nice old pocket-sized camera, this thing is awesome. Now I'll be very interested to see how the video turns out. Sony is supposed to be well known for their video, their autofocus system. And for photos, the autofocus system right now is awesome. It's got eye detect autofocus. It has animal eye detect autofocus, which I think that's pretty cool. So I've never gone down this part of the trail before, so we're gonna give it a try. What do you think, birdies? Give it a try? Yeah, we're gonna give it a try. So I just wanted to quickly say, all these cameras I'm playing with, I'm reviewing, it's just gear, man. Doesn't matter what kind of camera you have, as long as you know how to use it. Every camera can take beautiful pictures. You just need to know how to use it, man. So are there any cameras or lenses you want me to play with, get my opinion on? Leave a comment down below, man. I'll see what I can do. So if you like these videos and you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy shooting.